Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious calabacitas rellenas. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by filling up our pot halfway with water. To that we're going to add salt, set it over medium-high heat, and bring it to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, add your calabacitas, make sure to cut them in half. And just allow them to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes or until the calabacitas have softened. After 5 minutes, we're going to remove the calabacitas from the pot. Now to the pot, add your 4 Roma tomatoes. It's going to be used for our sauce, along with 3 chile guajillos and 3 chile puyas. And if you want your sauce to be spicy, add chile de árbol instead of the puya. But now we're just going to allow them to soften. So give it about 5 minutes. And once our tomatoes have begun to peel, they are ready, so we're just going to transfer them to the blender cup along with the chilies. Okay, so now we're just going to scoop our calabacitas and add that to the blender cup as well. So your calabacita should look like this. And just repeat to the rest. Okay, and once we have our calabacita bolts, now we can get ready to make our sauce. Okay, now to the blender cup, we're also going to add a piece of onion, 2 garlic cloves, 1 chile chipotle, along with all of our spices, and half a cup of water. Now we're going to be blending until smooth. Okay, and once we have that, we can take it back to the stove. Okay, now to make our filling, we're going to be setting our pan over medium-high heat. Add a little bit of oil and allow it to heat up. Once it's nice and hot, add the onion along with the bell pepper and just saute it for a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, add the corn along with the minced garlic and allow it to cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, move the vegetables to the side. Add the ground beef, begin to break it down, and season it with salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. And just continue to break it down and allow it to cook for about 7 minutes or until the meat is fully cooked. Once your meat is fully cooked, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. And you also want to remove any grease if your meat let out any. But once we have that, now we can get ready to stuff our calabacitas. So just grab your filling, top it over your calabacita. Okay, now we turn it back to the pan over medium heat. I'm going to add our sauce. Add a little bit more water to your blender cup. Mix it and bring it to a simmer. Alright, so once our sauce comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. And just allow it to continue simmering for 5 minutes. And once your sauce is done, we're just going to arrange our calabacita bolts. Okay, now just top it with your Queso Oaxaca or your favorite melting cheese. So now just cover it and allow that cheese to melt. Alrighty, and just like that, after a couple minutes, we can now get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. These calabacitas are seriously super delicious. They're so easy to make and so flavorful. So hope you give them a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Everything so perfect. The sauce, the calabacitas, the filling, perfect combination. And the sauce is not spicy, but of course, like I mentioned, you can always make it spicier by adding some more chile de árbol. But this right here is just perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some easy and delicious calabacitas rellenas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.